Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. We're looking at a weekly chart of crude oil here. We've been trading in a fairly tight range here between the 84.70 or 85 level and the 90 level approximately, going back for almost 8 weeks now. And with today's action, we're seeing a surge to the upside, which is a very welcome sign that we probably are going to go back up and test this 90 level. What I'd like to see is a fairly strong closing today, and I'd like to see, obviously, a continuation over the next couple of days. But what I do like seeing is this little blip down here in the MQ momentum indicator that suggests that the selling has just kind of fizzled out here on a weekly basis and that we could be heading higher. Now, yesterday in a webinar that we had, we did identify a beautiful yellow-tipped doji pattern, and that's this price bar right here. We said, and we're actually long, we've been long since yesterday, and we said this represented a potentially good buying signal. Now, dojis are neutral, but with where this is positioned right above support, we were looking at this as a potential buying opportunity, and then we're using a intraday momentum strategy to actually manage our intraday entries and exits. We're actually up over $5,000 in the trade right now. So that's worked out pretty well. We've seen the breakout. I wanted to see a breakout above these 3 days, over the highs of these 3 days, if you will. And we've seen that, and I'd like to see this market really close above that and close on strength here. We've had a surge higher. We've come back down and retested an intraday trend line, which you can't see on this chart. It's actually a very short-term trend line, but I'd like to see us now surge higher here and close on strength, and then just continue to trade higher over the course of the next couple of days. And this could very easily send us up to the 90 level. And if we reach the 90 level, I would expect us to actually break the 90 level. Now, I'm making a lot of assumptions here that we even reach the 90 level, but we did recently have the bottoming, quote unquote, of the 60-year commodity cycle in November of 2012. We're also seeing the dollar get hammered, which tends to help the prices of commodities. So there's a number of factors here that would suggest that we could see higher prices outside of the pure technical analysis we're doing on crude oil. We'll continue to watch this market, look for a higher close today. If we see a weaker close, and certainly if we see any type of breakdown below the low of yesterday, which would be right around the 85.21 level, then that's very bearish, and we would probably go down to the 79 level on the downside. We are keeping an eye on that as well. Thanks for watching.